speed helped me a lot. I would give credit to speed only for wherever I stand. And in my opinion, speed is the best platform you can have, because the material is very vast and the concepts they provide is very clear. The content was very precise, and it really helped a lot.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Raahil Farooq for scoring a topmost rank of AML rank number 9 in the Super Speciality of MCH Surgical Gastroenterology. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. And can we know a brief background history from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yeah, basically, I started my MBBS from Government Medical College, Srinagar, back in 2011. Then I did my MS from SKIMS, Sher Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences in Srinagar only. So presently, I am senior resident at SKIMS only.
Great. Short and sweet and,
Yes, sir.
and very clear. And why surgical gastroenterology?
I basically chose surgery for surgical GE only. Basically, my area of interest is GI oncology. So I had two options with me, either oncology, surgical oncology, or surgical GE. But then, given the specific area with regarding the abdomen and all, I chose surgical GE over surgical oncology.
Great.
Because surgical oncology otherwise is very vast, so to
Head
make
to
it precise.
So once you have decided to move on to MCA surgical gastroenterology,
Yes,
now
sir.
then what you started and how did you prepare and how did you move towards
Uh,
it? Was your primary
Basically,
exam INISS or NEETSS?
I'll tell you, sir. Basically, after I finished my PG, I thought of taking break for a year or so. I did my senior residency to get some hands on, because nowadays in PG you don't get much hands on. So then a bit of tragedy happened at back home, for which I had to again. I could not appear in any of the exams as such. Just in January, I thought of doing it this time. I thought, let's give it a try and go for it. Thanks to Almighty, it happened, and thanks to the platform that was provided to me. Obviously, that's speed. Speed.
Great. I mean, how speed reached? I mean, you. I mean, how? I mean, it's the kind of.
Yeah, it's basically when I thought of preparing for this super specialty, there were many options, but one of my friends, I would call him, he's very close to me. He had done his PG preparation from 2 3 apps. He basically recommended. He said we should go for speed only, because the material is very vast and the concepts they provide is very clear. So you don't have to just go through the books again and check everything. It's very particular. Whatever they say, it's particular. And thanks to Almighty, I found that very no, the content was very precise, and it really helped a lot.
Doctor, can we know? I mean, how much of time spent for this purpose? How did you prepare? I mean, was it a full time or I mean working and preparing?
Yeah,
What is
I am still working. I'm still working. I used to go to hospital, obviously, for that 7 8 hours in hospital. But then daily, I would say I would spend around 5.5 to 6 hours.
it?
Yeah,
That's a great time. I mean, working,
it it
preparing
was
for
a
five,
very
six hours.
it was a very tedious process. It was very hectic, but I had made my mind that this time I don't have to leave it.
Then
I
you have
have to give
watched,
it my
then you
best
have
shot.
watched, then you have watched all the videos.
Yes, sir. I've completed. I've completed almost entire GI general and some other topics as well, which I thought would are relevant because the questions would be asked. I completed them as well.
So were you able to give all the grand tests?
Since I was working, I wasn't able to attend all the tests, but I've given some of them. Again, my focus was basically to cover the syllabus. I just wanted to cover everything side by side. I'll tell you one thing, sir, regarding GI. I had already covered Shacklefold and some part of Blumgart in my PG only.
Hmm.
So that helped me. That helped me because I just had to brush up those things. Revisions are important. I think speed has helped me a lot. I would give credit to speed only for wherever I stand right now.
It's great because faculty, Dr. Basant, I mean, who are
Yeah,
involved
yeah,
in
yeah.
this process definitely will happy to
Yes,
you know.
definitely, definitely. Like I
Would
am
have honored
so
them.
I'm so honored to have learned from Basant sir. And I had subscribed to Neet, this na MCH Super Speciality course, not the INISS part.
Huh.
I had subscribed to that MCH course only, but still, it was more than sufficient, I guess. It was more than
Doctor, come
sufficient.
again. You subscribed for Neet SSMC Surgical Group.
Yeah, yeah. Not INI, not INISS.
So you prepared through Neet
Yeah,
SS Surgical Group
yeah,
to achieve this.
yes, yeah, yes.
My goodness.
That's true. That's true.
Huh?
Yeah, the material there also. It's like I cannot. I don't have words. And like I hardly had to open my book. It was for my own that satisfaction. I would open a book and go through it. Otherwise, almost everything was covered.
I don't know how you made that decision because there is an INISS surgical group. There's an, I
Yeah,
mean, there is a,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
there is a
Sir,
package.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you now. Basically, the thing is, as I told you, the situation back home wasn't that conducive. I thought maybe I'll not be able to prepare for any SS this April session,
Hmm,
July session.
hmm.
So I thought let's just try to cover everything for the upcoming NEET SS exams. Then
Okay.
I don't know what happens. The Almighty gave that pinch. Started preparing. I started with breast and thyroid. I left that and I somehow started GI. And by April, almost GI was covered. So I think it helped me a lot. And trust me, when I sat in the exams, the MCQ part, it was like straight away questions were from the notes. It helped. It helped a lot. It helped a lot.
You are telling one new method today. Uh,
I don't know. Maybe it's
hmm.
Almighty who plans the things.
Hmm.
Sometimes it
Even
goes
we
the way
never
he.
imagine, we ourselves don't know there is such thing can be done actually.
Yeah,
We are providing the content, but still we don't have an idea can be doable like this also.
I have done it. I don't know whether it's a miracle or what, but it happened with me, sir. It
Uh,
happened with me.
Quite interesting actually.
Thank you so much, sir. So nice.
Nice. Right. Now, the management of interview. How did you manage this?
I I tell you, sir. I don't have any pair as such in surgical gastroenterology. No, there's nobody. None of my seniors have appeared in the exams, so I didn't know anything about it. But that mock session that we had with Basant sir, 1 hour,
Hmm.
the way sir described the things, the case scenarios, how it would be presented to you, it felt like that gave me the confidence. And when I appeared for the interview, the 15-minute session, 5 minutes each for each case scenario, it was like it wasn't that difficult. It was an interactive session. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that.
Very nice. This interview is quite interesting for me. With you.
Same here, sir. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure talking to you, sir.
So now, what is that message that you want to give to your juniors or aspirants who want to do for MCA surgical gastro?
My message always has been that keep it simple, keep your basics clear. If your basics are clear, then it's a cakewalk. And if you have to start it from the grassroots level. Like if somebody has to go for it, he has to start it right from his first day of PG. It's not like somebody will change in third year or after PG that no, now GI surgery, now or urology. It doesn't work like that. You have to be focused. Right from my day one in general surgery as a PG, I knew it was going to be abdomen. It has to be this. Basically, I told you, sir, my area of interest is GI oncology. That's what I want. My message would be start as soon as you can and then choose a platform which will provide the material to the fullest.
Great, doctor. Now, time to thank, and you can use this platform to thank whom all you want to thank who have built your career and helped you to.
Yeah, I would like first of all I would like to thank Almighty Allah. He makes ways for you. Whenever He wants you to succeed, He'll create those ways for you. Then my parents, obviously, they have been my support system. They've always been with me. My friends, my teachers, especially I would like to name one person. He is the surgical oncologist at our place, Dr. Sheikh Zahoor sir. Like he has been the role model for me, and whatever I am today, I owe it to him as far as surgical field is concerned. And last but not the least, the app, the platform, the speed, Vinayak sir. Basant sir, it's like I really thank you, sir. I really thank you, and I thank Almighty that I chose the right platform for the right exams, the right course.
Great, doctor. I mean, you have made our days, not day, made our days actually.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, sir. It's a
It's a
pleasure.
it's a it's a huge reward,
It's
and
a pleasure.
we totally thank you for that, all of you, all of
I
us.
thank you, sir. I thank you, sir. I thank you.
Doctor, once again, we wish you all the very best and all the
Thank you,
success,
sir. Thank
uh,
you so much, sir.
and for your great career that you wanted in life of a surgical
Thank you.
gastroenterology that you have.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you so
definitely
much.
you will do wonders in that. And our support, in case you need any of support from us for surgical gastro, in anything that you require, you kindly let us know, and
Sure, sir.
we'll be happy
Sure,
to
sir. Sure, sir. My pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
wish you
It's a
all the
pleasure
best.
talking to you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank
Wish
you,
you
sir.
all the best and all the success once again for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.